This is Kath from Cardiff Lifeguards, and she's going to show you how to do a recovery position, specifically during COVID.
Okay, what we're going to be doing now is, if we came across a casualty that was breathing but unconscious, and we're going to put them into the recovery position, I want to make it very, very clear that the two people that I am using are brother and sister, so it is still COVID friendly and they live in the same household. So we would still come in and check for dangers. If we found the person here, still shout and shake the casualty. Once we go down and establish that there is still breathing, what do we still need?
To call for help.
We would call for help, and we would also call for the ambulance and the defib, because we don't know whether the casualty might stop breathing. So for now, the casualty is breathing and we're going to put them into the recovery position. So the nearest arm to you, I want you to put it up into a 90-degree angle. If it won't go to a 90-degree angle, put the arm, depending on their shoulder flexibility, the arm can just sit here, maybe straight. Again, depends on what casualty you have in front of you. Furthest arm away from you, grab hold of it, hold it by the hand and put it against his face. Furthest knee away from you, grab the outside of the knee, and now I want you to use the knee as a lever and pull the casualty towards you. Once you've done that, pull the knee up into a 90-degree angle so he doesn't roll any further forward. Tilt the head back and slightly down so that we've opened up the airway, and if he was sick it would just dribble out. And that is your recovery position.
This is Kath from Cardiff Lifeguards, and she is going to show you how to do a bandage application during COVID. Take it away, Kath.
Welcome, we are going to do an instruction video on how to put on a bandage. Because of COVID, ideally we need to give the bandage to the casualty and the casualty put it on themselves depending on their capability at the time. So that is what I'm going to demonstrate at the moment and give out the instructions to the casualty. So we're going to assume that she has got a cut to her leg. So what I want you to do is you've been given the bandage, I want you to open the bandage from the packet. Unroll the first bit and you'll have a tail. She's sat against the wall so that if she is feeling unwell, the wall is there to support her. The shiny side of the pad is going to go on top of the cut. There it is. On top of the cut. I want you to roll then the rest of the bandage on either end, underneath the leg, closing in the ends of the bandage, over to the other end of the bandage and closing it in. Because there is nothing in the cut, I want you to take it all the way around, and if we can, go over the top and then tie on top of the cut. This will add extra pressure. Take the tail around the other eye and tie on top of the cut. If the blood was to come through the first bandage, we would apply another bandage onto the top of it in the same manner that we have done there, tying on top again. Put that on top of that one, we would tie again on top of the cut. If the blood was to come through the second bandage, you need to remove both bandages and start again from fresh with